Hello, everybody. Welcome to Colombian Tours. We're right now here from Santa Marta. It's called the Pearl of the Caribbean here in Colombia. It is the oldest city that was founded over here in the continent of South America. So here we are in Santa Marta. So here we are from Santa Marta, Colombia. This is Colombian Tours. We are from a more than 500-year-old city. Actually, it's the oldest city in South America. So welcome to Santa Marta. We're going to walk a little bit by the Malecon. And this is Colombian Tours. Great to have you over here in Santa Marta, Colombia. Okay, this is a must-do walk by Santa Marta, walking by the Malecon, by the Bay of Santa Marta that we have by our side. And it was really a beautiful walk. The sunsets here are spectacular, and you can just be here at this beautiful place and just enjoy the wonderful sunsets and the refreshing night that you can enjoy here at the Malecon of Santa Marta. This is Colombian Tours from Santa Marta, Colombia, the Pearl of America. To have you here. Here we are at the Santa Marta sign over here at the Malecon of the city of Santa Marta, and we're going to have a walk around here so you can check it out from Santa Marta, Colombia. This is Colombian Tours. Great to have you here. Keep on tuned. Okay, here at the Malecon, you can find many handcrafts from the region. These are the famous mochilas. Look at it, the famous mochilas. These are the ones that you can find here at the Malecon. You can find here mochilas arhuacas and also mochilas kogi, ¿no es cierto, señor? ¿Cómo está?
Buenas noches. Son mochilas guayú, hechas por indígenas guayú.
Hecha por los indígenas guayú, vea usted. ¿Y de dónde las trae? ¿De allá de los resguardos o de dónde?
De la ranchería de La Guajira.
De la ranchería. Ah, qué bonito. ¿Y más o menos qué precio tienen? ¿En qué precio oscilan?
Oscilan desde 80, de 50 y 30 mil pesitos más o menos.
Ah, están muy bien de precios. ¿Y eso es todo hecho a mano? ¿Eso es artesanía?
Eso es artesanía, hecho con hilos artesanales, claro.
Ah, qué bien. Muchas gracias, jefe.
A la orden, ¿no?
Que venda mucho. Okay. Okay, and now we do it in English because these are the famous mochilas. The mochilas Kogi. They are from the Kogi tribe, from the region of La Guajira and region of Northern Magdalena, ¿no? De la región de La Guajira y norte de Magdalena.
Norte, La Guajira. La Guajira es un departamento, Magdalena es otro.
Okay.
Esta es la parte norte de La Guajira.
Okay, from the northern part of La Guajira, you can see these famous mochilas, and he's been selling this. ¿Hace cuánto vendes esto acá?
Hace como alrededor de 20 años más o menos.
Oh, ya mucho tiempo. Acá usted vio desarrollarse el malecón y todo.
Correcto, claro. Ya lo han cambiado 2 veces y gracias a Dios actualmente mira cómo está de lindo, cómo está de hermoso.
Okay, he's telling us that he has been selling here for almost 20 years and that he's one of the first over here at the malecón, one of the best handcraft sellers over here at the malecón. Pásela bien y que vendas mucho.
Amén, que le vaya muy bien.
Okay, sell a lot, man. Here we are, Colombian Tours, right here from the malecón of Santa Marta. This is a must-do walk in Santa Marta, Colombia. You walk by the Bay of Santa Marta. They say it's the most beautiful bay of America. Well, that's the slogan of the city. La bahía más bella de América. It is really a very nice bay. Oh, here we are walking by Santa Marta, and we find this fine artist. Hello, man. How are you? Adanias, that is your name, Adanias. You're an artist, you're a painter. Since when do you paint? ¿Hace cuánto es que pintas?
Desde muy niño, desde que era muy niño.
Since he was a kid, he paints since he's a kid, and you work here in Santa Marta in the Malecón. Trabajas acá en el Malecón.
Sí, todos los días.
Okay, and you do well.
Sí, me va muy
Okay, chévere. Thank you very much.
Gracias.
He does these beautiful paintings over here. And you can find them at the Malecón of Santa Marta. Adanias, look at him. Acá, ¿qué son estos? ¿Palitos de queso? Wow, palitos de queso, famosísimos acá en la región. Los famosos palitos de queso. Míralo, ahí está dándolos, qué rico. They look very good. ¿Qué más, señor? ¿Bien? ¿Cómo le ha ido? Acá, ¿cómo se les dice? ¿Pincho o chuzos? Pincho o chuzo, ¿usted entiende de cualquier forma? Ok, les digo eso porque en la región del interior los llaman pinchos y acá en la costa atlántica del país los llaman chuzos.
Y pinchos.
Y pincho también. Ah, ok. Acá, ¿cómo se le dice? ¿Pincho o chuzo?
Este se le dice chuzo y a este se le dice pincho.
Ah, al uno se le dice chuzo, el que solo es de carne, el de que solo es de una carne se llama chuzo.
Sí, claro, ¿no?
Y el de varias carnes se llama pincho. Oigan esto, ¿hace cuánto hace usted pincho o chuzos?
Bastante.
Bastante. ¿Y siempre en este mismo lugar, señor?
Siempre vendido por aquí. Sí, aquí en la playa.
Listo, ¿cómo es su nombre, jefe?
Jorge.
Don Jorge, véanlo. Se ve bueno eso y huele mejor. ¿Están ricos? Hola, ¿podemos hablar? Señora, ¿cómo está? ¿Bien?
Gracias.
¿Qué tal todo? ¿De dónde vienen?
De Bucaramanga.
De Bucaramanga. Rico el pincho, el chuzo. ¿Usted cómo le dice? ¿Pincho o chuzo?
Yo le digo pincho.
Pincho. Ok, ¿y hace cuánto llegaron acá a Santa Marta? Ah, ¿ustedes viven acá? Ah, bueno.
Pero ese señor, sí, los pinchos son muy ricos.
Ah, son famosos. Ahorita vengo por uno para comer. Here with you. This is Colombian Tours. We'll be check it out from Santa Marta, Colombia, and from every part, every region of Colombia very soon. My name is Nestor Melendez. Hope you have enjoyed the tour. If you want to book some private tours and experiences, you can contact us through the channel. You can leave us a message in the channel. And also, you can write to showtourlivemedia@gmail.com. I'll say it again. showtourlivemedia@gmail.com. Very nice to have you here with us in Colombian Tours from Santa Marta, Colombia, the pearl of the Caribbean. Welcome to Santa Marta. We're right here from Pozos Colorados Beach. Very nice beach right here. This is a morning. We're just waking up, and the beach is waking up as many of the people over here that are coming to the beach right here today from Santa Marta. This is Colombian Tours, and we are in Santa Marta today. Let's have fun. Let's enjoy our show today. Thanks for coming. about traveling to Colombia, but you just don't know where to get started? Don't worry about that. You just landed in the right place. Welcome to Colombian Tours, your trusted guide to explore the beauty, the flavors, and the rhythms of Colombia. Forget the fear. Forget the cliches. Here, you will get to know the real Colombia, my country. From magical jungles and rivers to coffee farms and Caribbean beaches, Colombia is a land of contrast and vibrant culture. Our country has more shades of green than you have ever imagined. Delicious gastronomy and people, people will make you feel at home. We're Nestor and Estefania certified tour guides based over here in Cartagena de Indias, Colombia. Through our agency, showtourlivemedia, we design totally private touring experiences throughout all Colombia. So you can travel Colombia with us, totally safe and with total knowledge. And we also do digital content to all the travelers of the world know more about Colombia, our country, the place that we love to show to the world. We have a dream. We want to make of Colombia one of the most famous destinations in the whole planet, and you can help us. Come on, subscribe to our channel, give us a like, share it all around, and like our videos. We need your help, and we need you here in Colombia, my country. If you want to come to Colombia now, you know this is Colombian Tours. This is your source for information about traveling to Colombia. So guys, to be aware of what's happening in Colombia and how you can travel over here, and if it's safe to come to Colombia, you just keep on watching our channel. So hit the subscribe button so you get to know every week, you get to see new videos about my country, Colombia. And also, you can comment if you want any private tours or if you want any more additional information about my wonderful country that is Colombia. Remember, we are only 3 hours and a half away from Miami International Airport, so it's not so far away from the States. And from Canada, it's also very near. So we're waiting for you guys over here in the land of beauty, Colombia.